Some people ask about how to develop short work. Short work, for me, one of the methods how to work short, you need to know how to work with fingers. So one of the practice, for example, if you sit in front of me, right, and he start to hit or something, say, I need to know how to work with fingers. That means fingers work so, how to say, friendly, and the second time quite heavy. So how to practice this? You need to take, for example, any heavy object, and you need to work just with fingers. So try to see that how you can work with fingers. Leave it, bring up, like that. So it means you practically work with fingers. And anytime when a person attack you, you can work with fingers, hit the guy, grab him, and fingers works quite well. The next work, when you have to work, you need to know how to work with your hand. So it means when I develop work, see, my hand work. Heat comes from this pushing, so it means not fingers, it's most of the time hand works. So how to develop this work? You need to grab again anywhere, any heavy weight, and I grab it with palm. So it means with hand. So I leave it, I move it, not with fingers, not like I grab it with fingers, it's one way. You grab with hands. Move, rotate, any movement. That's how you develop that work. The next work, you need to know how to work with elbow. So it means the moment comes, you hit, you develop the work when you work with elbow. So any type of work, one movement you can hit, you can bring the hand down like that. So it means, you practically work with elbows. How to work with elbows? You grab this object, see, and I lift my elbow. I don't work with fingers, I don't work with hands. I grab it and I lift my elbow up. See, it means I go, so elbows moves up. So in this case, I develop sensitivity, work with elbows. And then you have to work with your body. Movement comes. See, it means I escape with the body. I can hit my body free to move. So it means when I start to lift this, I work with body. So it means I move my body first, and then my hand comes. So I don't work with arms or hands. I work with body. Body moves, and then I move my arms. So I hope it helps. That's what we study in one of the way how we will study work in Germany.